signing up for Amazon affiliate program is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, open your Chrome browser and then search here for Amazon.com. The website will open, and here you have to listen important instruction before creating your Amazon affiliate program account. The first thing is that if you want to create your Amazon affiliate program to generate money by promoting the product from Amazon, you need to create your account on Amazon.com as a simple account. After this, you can create your account and share the products to earn the money. So make sure first you have logged in your account as a simple account on Amazon.com. Move on, you can see that the website is open. And here you can see that there is a seller account here. So you can also create a seller account just in simple steps before sign up for affiliate marketing account. After this, you have to click on sign up button, and here you can see that a new window will look like this. Next, you first have to enter your name, so I write here Osama Yunus, that's my name. Make sure your name is that name which is showing on your national ID card. Next one is email, so here you have to enter the email which you want to use to create your account. Make sure your email is secure, and the next one is the password section. Make sure you have a good password and don't share this password with anyone, and next one is re-enter the password. Here you have to confirm your password, then click on next button. The next window will look like this. Here you have to verify your email address. To verify your email address, Amazon will send you a code that is called OTP. You just have to go to your Gmail and then you have to copy the code and then paste it here. After this, you just have to click on Create Account button. Here you can see what you need to create your account. The first thing is to provide your information and documents. You need to collect relevant personal and business information to comply with identification and verification measures. And the next one is we will verify your submission. You may be asked to meet with an Amazon associate to verify your submission. And the next one is get verified and start sending. After we receive all of the required information, it will be verified as soon as possible. On the right side of the screen, you have what you need. It means what documents do you need to create an account. So first one is valid government-issued ID card or passport. The next one is a recent bank account or credit card statement. Next one is a chargeable credit card. And the next one is a mobile phone number. Next, you have to click on the button in the below side. The next window will look like this. Here you have to select your basic information like country. I select my country, and the next one is business type. Here you have to select your business type, address, and entity type, business owner, publicly listed business, private business, charity, and you can also sign up as an individual. So I click on I am an individual. Next you have to enter some more details. And here you can see that please ensure your business type section is correct. An individual sells in a private context. An individual does not sell a product to a company or a charity and does not operate in a business or profession context. So I will suggest you to read all of these terms and policies before signing up as an individual. So the next you have to enter your first name, and then you have to enter your middle name. That is optional. If you don't want to enter your middle name, then you can skip this option. And next one is your last name. Here you can enter your last name, which will be the name that you are using on your ID card. And the next is you have to agree to all terms and policies of your account. Next, click on Agree button at the end. And after this, the new window will look like this. Here you have your name already in, and next you have to set your country of birth, date and time. Next one is your identity proof, residential address. All of these settings you have to do manually. Next one, to receive the PIN to verify your details, you have to enter the code that you see on the screen, and you have to type this in the below section, and next click on Send SMS button. The code will come and you have to enter the code and it will verify. Then in this way you can create account on Amazon. Now you can see that my account is created successfully, and on the upper right corner you can see that Hello Osama message. It means my account is created successfully. Now you just have to scroll down, and here you find an option of Become an Affiliate button. So you just have to click on this button and the next window will look like this. And this is the dashboard of Amazon Affiliate Program. Here you can see that the email mobile number you are using is not connected to an associated account. If the account was previously connected, please check your email inbox that the account may have been closed. So make sure those details that you are given are correct. And you can see that there are many options like sign up button. But you can see that how you can earn money from affiliate program by the Amazon. Now we will discover how you can earn money from Amazon Affiliate Program. First step is to sign up. Join tens of thousands of creators, publishers, and bloggers who are earning with the Amazon Associated Program. And the second step is recommend. Share millions of products with your audience. We have customized linking tools for large publishers, individual bloggers, and social media influencers. And the third step is earn. Earn up to 10% in associated commission from qualifying purchases and programs. Our competitive conversion rates help maximum earnings. This is the process of earning from Amazon Affiliate. Now you just have to click on Sign Up button. Here we are going to sign up for Amazon Affiliate Program. And now you can see that creating your Amazon Associate account has 4 steps. First one is account information. Next one is website and mobile app list. Third one is profile. And last one is start using Associate Center. So, we are going to complete our first step, that is account information. Important notice is here that please read these instructions before you fill this form. Make sure you read all of terms and policies before starting your account. It will help you to face no problem while promoting product. And now you have to enter the by name. And you can see that exactly enter the name as it appear on their check. If the check to be mailed to an individual other than by, enter the name of the recipient and address one. Now you can see that it's an instruction that you can read carefully. But now you have to enter the name. So, make sure a name that you entered have that is on the national ID card or your bank details. Now you have to enter the address line 1. You can enter your address. Next is address line 2. Next one is address line 3. And after doing this you have to enter the city. And the next one you have to enter the state. I enter the state here. Next you have to enter the postal code. Make sure to use the postal code is correct, because all your deliveries and all your details come on your zip code. So make sure you enter the correct zip code. And keep in mind every city and every district. Every state has a different and unique postal code. Next you have to select your country. I have selected this. And next we have to enter the mobile number. So, select your mobile number. Now you have to enter the phone number, then click on next button. When you click on next button, the next step is to enter your website or mobile app. So it is the important message here, list all the top level website or mobile app on which you plan to display banners, pictures, special links or other ads from Amazon Associate. Next you just have to enter the link of your website or your Facebook page where you want to promote Amazon product. And next you have to click on next button, and you can see that here you have to enter what is your preferred Associate store ID. So you just have to enter your store ID what the store has. Next one is tell us about the content you create. You have to type here about your product, or you can also type what type of content you will create. It's totally depend on the account niche from where you're going to start. And the next one is which of the following best describe your content. So here you just have to select one of these. First one is comparison shopping engine and search blog content, or niche website coupons, or day website Alexa theme. So you have to select one of them. And next you have to how did you hear about us. So you just have to select this one. It's totally depends upon you. And the next one you have to enter the code in the below section that you are watching on this section. And after this you have to check mark on the all government policies of the Associate Program Operating Agreement. And next you just have to click on the next button. The next window it will look like this. So here you can see that thank you for applying to the Amazon.com Associate Program. Here you need unique Associate ID as this, and you may occasionally need to provide Associate ID to verify. Now read this all the term and all the detail, and now you can see that an option is enter your payment and tax information. You can click on now button if you want to enter now, and you can also click on later button. So I don't need to add my payment and tax information right now, so I just click on later button. After this you can see that your Amazon Associate Program, or you can also say that Amazon Affiliate Program account is created. Now you can see that an important message, that is, before we can pay you, you must have your payment information. Please ignore this message if payment information is already submitted. You have seen that I have not entered my payment information, so I will do it later on. But now you can see that here is also many things that you can explore by self. And here if you scroll down, you can see that here are earnings reviews for last 30 days. And you can see that there are also many options on the right side of the screen. And you can see that there are many options on the right side. So this is how you can sign up for Amazon Associate Program.